Hi, this is attorney Rob Wells here from you at the law office of Robert M. Wells. Our office specializes in landlord and tenant issues. And in this video, we're going to talk about the state's rental assistance program. Folks, if you haven't known already, the state of California is accepting rental applications for its COVID-19 rental assistance program. These applications started to be accepted online through the state's website as of Monday, March 15th at 5 p.m. What you'll notice about the site now is both applications for landlords and tenants are now available. Landlords in particular, there is a sample application of what questions and information that you'll need to provide to the state for this program. As of right now, particularly for folks within Solano County, the state is taking the applications, and what they're going to do, at least for landlords applications, is they're going to assign a caseworker with a landlord's application, and then they're going to work with contacting your tenants as well. Because a landlord's application requires some verification with a landlord's tenants. The details of who and how the landlords will be contacted by this caseworker are still yet to be determined. However, it is my encouragement and the advice of others administering the program to just apply. If you're eligible, apply. If you think you're eligible, or if you have rent that is unpaid from April of 1st of 2020 through March 31st, 2021, my recommendation is you apply. Even if your tenants don't qualify, or even if you don't think you qualify, or whatever it is, I'd rather have the state tell me, no, I don't qualify, and get an application in versus just not filing one out completely at all if you have unpaid rent during these periods of times. Landlords, you should be aware that if you don't participate in the program and your tenant applies to the program, there could be legal consequences for you down the road, particularly with collecting rent. So I know some of my landlords that I deal with have an issue of waiving 20% of the rent to get 80% from the state. I just caution my landlord clients and those thinking like that out there, because again, think about it this way. An application appears relatively straightforward for a landlord. You just have to have unpaid rent during April 1st through March 31st. And if you get 80%, the 20% that you're forgiving, you got to also remember your legal cost and your time cost as well too. So if you're thinking, hey, I'm going to go to small claims court, or hey, I'm going to hire some attorney to go get this money, that's money out of your pocket, versus if you apply for this program and if you do qualify and your tenants qualify and the state writes you a check for 80%, that means you don't have to figure out where to get the balance of that money. And I got folks that will gladly take 80%. So I think it's a wise choice to at least just apply for the program and see what happens. As we get more details out there, we'll give you more information. I'll link the sample application so you can take a look at it. And again, I just encourage you to get your applications in now. We have information that at least in Solano County, the Board of Supervisors out here will be having a meeting next Tuesday, I believe, to discuss how they're going to administer the program. I've heard from sources that what they're going to do is they're trying to find a vendor right now that at least help the county administer some of the funds here. So stay tuned with us. If you're going through a situation where you have unpaid rent and you need help talking about that, please let us know. Our contact information is down below. and we hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.